neat. I don't know how well this is going to work, but I'm going to see if I can catch a fish in a blizzard. Are you kidding? Woo! I got you. There we go. Yeah, mama. And you're the biggest one I caught this year. Golly. Was not expecting that. That was awesome. We got another one. Fish on in a blizzard. In a blizzard. Oh no, I hooked myself. All right, calm down, lady. Look at you. You're like half the size of the first one, but I'm okay with it. Okay, bye-bye. Hey! Oh, there we go. There we go. Come on now. Stay down. Stay down. Don't run. There we go. There we go. Oh. Come on now. Stay pinned. I hooked myself again. All right. Oh, I'm hooked in the hand. I'm hooked in the hand. I mean my glove. I'm hooked in the glove, but you know. Come on, get off. You're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You're about the same size as the first one I caught. All right. And the release. This is not what I was expecting when I said I was going to try to catch a fish in a blizzard, but I'm totally okay with this. There we go. Fish on. Again. Come here. Don't fight it. Oh, quick release. That's okay. This is great. I can't feel my fingers or toes. This is amazing. Excuse me. I think it's over. I think it's ended. I think they all learned. But that's okay. One more. One more cast. There we go. Come on now. Ooh, don't jump. You're a little guy. You're a little guy. That's okay. I welcome all sorts of friends. Hello. There we go. Hi. You're pale. You're beautiful, though. Bye-bye. Almost just cast it onto my neighbor's dock, deck, whatever it is. There we go. There we go. Come on now. Stay down. Come on. There we go. Oh, you're a little bit bigger. Right in the roof of the mouth. All right, buddy. All right, buddy. All right. Hey. Hey. Yeah, the unfrayed finger. There we go. Boop. Barbless 6 come right out. Look at you. You're not the same one as last time, right? You might be. Who knows? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. All right, for real, this is my last cast. Then we'll go inside. And, okay. I lied, that was a backlash. Not a bad one, but it's still backlash. So I'm gonna get that out, and then the cast after that will be my last cast. Oh, there we go. Thought it was hung up. Turns out it's a fish. Come on. Oh, nice. Oh, and there's my phone vibrating. Oh, you choked it. Or you tried to choke it anyway. Here, let's give you a little bit more line. There we go. All right, okay. All right. I understand what it is you're... Oh, look. That was all just pressure keeping you on there. You could have come off anytime you wanted when you were getting dipped in the water to have the snow come off you, but you didn't. You didn't. Look at that lipstick right there. Beautiful. Adios. Ah, no. Come on. It's like, how does that even happen? I mean, I know how it happened, because I'm a ding-dong, but I did it. Okay. For real. For real, last cast. For real. Okay, you convinced me. One more cast. Alright, this is like for real. This is for real my last cast.